a classic hatchback with an angry vibe. Here's an example of German engineering. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a Volkswagen Golf 7R. The scale is 118. The manufacturer is OttOmobile. And the item number is OT333. This is the classic white auto box, which has their cute logo on it. Let's dig in. This is a 7th generation Golf, and it's a lighter and more refined vehicle than its predecessor. The R variant is an upgrade on the ever-popular Golf GTI, which itself is the performance version of the base Golf. Not taking anything away from the awesome GTI, of course, but the Golf R has all-wheel drive, a higher output from the same 4-cylinder 2.0-liter GTI engine, an almost 20% quicker acceleration time, a more aggressive stance, amongst others. It needs to be said that both Golf versions are reliable, quick, and relatively efficient, but most importantly, fun to drive. Here's the actual MK7 Golf R. As it is with auto models, there's no working suspension, but the wheels and tires both look pretty decent. I wasn't a fan of the Caddy's wheels initially, but they kinda grew on me. The letters on the front license plate are big, as if it tells you boldly it's an R. The quad tailpipes on the exhaust add to the sporty look of the model, and they're nicely detailed here. I took this footage over 2 years ago, so I'm not sure why I was pointing everywhere on the model. Anyway, aside from the wheels, you can see the R badge on the right fender, the left one, the rear, and of course, the front. I appreciate the small details, just like these headlights washer covers. The side mirrors are painted in silver and black, which makes them look distinctive in my opinion, and quite nice. I know it's a matter of preference, but I'm not a big fan of this taillight's design. The rear emblem doubles as a door handle, which is a cool feature. I saw in a video that the backup camera is tucked under the emblem, which is also neat. I'm not a big VW fan, but I love hatchbacks, and I think the model has good value. You also have value, and don't you forget it. It's easy to forget this small detail, but I'm here as a kind reminder. Or is it a gentle reminder? Friendly? By the way, I know this is completely out of context, but I'm okay with that. I'm not sure if I should keep talking about diecast, or maybe start a preaching channel. So I'll just pretend that I have something better to do, and bid you farewell. Until next Saturday, of course. And that's that.